Start with the next quadrilateral square. What is the definition of square? The quadrilateral with all sides and all angles congruent is called as the square. Means definition of the rectangle is different, definition of the square is different, diagram of the rectangle is different, diagram of the square is different. Means the definition, again I will repeat the definition of the square, that the quadrilateral with all the sides and all the angles are congruent is called as the square. So the quadrilateral with all sides and all angles are congruent is called as the square. So this is the diagram of the square. Here this, if AB is 10 cm at that time, BC is also 10 cm at that time, CD is also 10 cm and AD is also 10 cm. And by the identical mark I show that this is one line identical mark, one line identical mark, one line identical mark, one line identical mark. So I will say that quadrilateral ABCD is the square. Angle A is equal to angle B is equal to angle C is equal to angle D is equal to 90 degree. Means all the angles are right angle. And sec AB is equal to sec BC is equal to sec CD is equal to sec AD. Means I will say that all the sides are congruent. Means all the sides are congruent and all the angles are congruent. That time the quadrilateral is the square. Then which are the opposite sides of the square? So I will say that sec AB and sec BC are the opposite sides of the square. And sec AD and sec BC are the opposite sides of the square. So these are the opposite sides of the square. So which are the diagonals of the square? The line segment which join the opposite vertices of the quadrilateral is called as the diagonals of the square. I will say that this A and C are the opposite vertices. When you will join this A and C at that time, this sec AC is called as the diagonal of the square. I will say that diagonal of the square is sec AC and sec another this. When you join the sec vertex P and vertex D, opposite vertices at that time, this BD is called as the sec BD is called as the diagonal of the square. Means square has four sides, square has four angles, and square has two diagonals. And the difference between the square and the rectangle is that all the four sides and all the four angles of the square are equal. So you have to say that all the four sides and the four angles are congruent. That time you have to say that the quadrilateral is the square. Today you have to learn about some properties of the square. The first property is the diagonal of squares are congruent. So I will say that all the property are based on the diagonal. So first property is the diagonals of square are congruent. So I will say that sec AC is congruent to sec BD. So first property, the diagonal of squares are congruent. Second property, diagonal of square bisect each other. Bisect each other means if this one is 3 line identical mark, this one is also 3 line identical mark, this one is 3 line identical mark, this one is 3 line identical. If this one is 10 cm at that time, this diagonal is also 10 cm. If this point O will intersect this, both the diagonal will intersect at point O. At that time AO is equal to CO is equal to BO is equal to DO. At that time AO is equal to CO and BO is equal to DO. So diagonal bisect each other, means diagonals are divided into two equal parts. When they will intersect at that time, they bisect each other. So I will say that sec AO is equal to sec CO and sec BO is equal to sec DO. If this is the condition, that time you have to say that diagonal bisect each other. Then third property is diagonal of the squares are perpendicular to each other. Means if they will intersect at that time, here 90 degree angle will form. So I will say that diagonals of the square are perpendicular to each other. 90 degree angle, 90 degree angle, 90 degree angle. So I will say that this angle AOB is equal to 90 degree, angle BOC is equal to 90 degree, angle COD is equal to 90 degree, angle AOD is equal to 90 degree. When diagonals will intersect, at that time they will perpendicular to each other. So diagonals of the squares are perpendicular to each other. And another property, diagonal of square bisect the opposite angle. Means this bisect the opposite angle. If this one is 90 degree, at that time this one is 45, this one is 45, this one is 45, this one is 45. See, in the same manner, this one is 45 at that time, this one is 45, this one is 45 at that time, this one is 45. Means you have to say that if this is the angle ADC is 90 degree. At that time, if diagonal will bisect the opposite angle, at that time you have to say that this one is the diagonal, they will bisect this angle. At that time ADB is equal to BDC. Means diagonals of the square bisect each other. The fourth property based on the diagonals of the square are: first property is that the diagonal of squares are congruent. Second property, diagonals bisect each other. Third property, diagonal intersect at right angle. And fourth property is that the diagonal of the square bisect the opposite angle of the square. These are the four properties of the square. I think you understand all these things. Write this definition and the properties in the basic book, and all these things you have to write in the classwork notebook. Thank you.